So I wanted to show you guys this before I leave. I'm at my grandparents' house and we discovered these little babies nesting in Nana's flower pot. We found them about a week ago. There's two of them. I know you can only see one of them right now. So I've named the oldest one Big Boy because he is significantly bigger than the little one back there. And the little one I've named Chatter because he is so loud. I literally could hear him while I was practicing my ballet just a moment ago with the music on full blast. And I figured now is the best time to film this because Big Boy just started spreading his wings yesterday. He's not quite there yet, but he is on his way. But here's the exciting part. He actually has started perching on me. I know it doesn't seem like it now. I guess he's a little camera shy. But he seems to like me a lot. If I can, I'll see if I can get him to perch on me later and I'll film that. But yesterday he was perching on me a lot and I've got pictures of it on my Instagram. But I just wanted to show you guys because I don't think he's going to be here much longer. I think he will be leaving the nest in probably about a day or two. Ah, there's Chatter over there. Yeah. He's saying, "Hello, YouTube." What about you, Big Boy? You got anything to say? No? Okay. Well, I'll see you guys later, and maybe I'll film more later. Bye.